Let's learn what is Azure Resource Groups. Azure Resource Groups are the containers that hold related resources for an Azure solutions. It enabling the resources management as a group. What are the benefits of the Azure Resource Group? Azure Resource Group are essential containers in Azure that hold related resources for an Azure solution such as virtual machines, databases, and storage accounts. It enables resource management as a single entity, making it easier to deploy, update, and monitor resources collectively. Additionally, you can assign the permissions, apply policies, and track costs specific to the group, simplifying the governance and organizations. The key features of the Azure Resource Group are logical grouping, so it organizes the resources for better management and tracking. Unified management, so it apply access control, policies, and billing to all the resources in the group. Resource lifecycle management, deleting a resource group, remove all resources within it. Tagging support, helps in cost allocations and resource categorization. Role-based access control, assign different roles to users at the resource group level. Dependency management, it ensures related resources are managed together. So the ways for creating an Azure Resource Group. So there is multiple ways we can create the Azure Resource Group. First is Azure Portal, or using the Azure CLI you can do that, or PowerShell command, or ARM templates, or Terraform or Bicep also you can do that. The best practices for using the Azure Resource Group. It organizes by lifecycle environment, separate dev, test and production environments. Use tags, that is apply metadata for cost tracking and ownership identifications. Implement RBAC, that is restrict access to the resource group level to prevent unauthorized changes. Automate provisioning, that is use Terraform, Bicep or ARM templates to standardize the resource deployments. Monitor and audit, so use Azure Monitor and Azure Policy to track and enforce compliance. Common use cases of resource group. Project-based organization, that is group all project resources together. Environment segregations, have separate groups for development, staging and production. Access control and security, assign different permissions to different teams. Cost management, use cost analysis and budget tracking for each resource group.